Hello everyone, this is episode number 10 where we would like to walk you through our first time of venturing outdoors since the lockdown. Since Joanne and Bryden are both on the autism spectrum, we prefer to stay indoors as much as possible, taking into consideration the safety protocols. Here again, we took this step only for our kids, as Joanne has been expressing her desire to go for swimming for over a month's time. We then on started preparing both our kids by initially wearing a mask for about 30 to 40 minutes. Joanne and Bryden were then quite compliant with the use of mask, sanitizer, etc. As you just saw. We then finally decided to venture out to the Aqsa beach after being indoors for about a year in the lockdown. And now as you can see, we are walking down the stairs, trying not to use the elevator so that we try to be as safe as possible. And as you can see, just now we are all geared with a mask and a hand sanitized. And now here we are entering our car and about to commence our drive after a year in the new normal. And so here we go with the surface disinfectant spray, ensuring utmost precautions. We are spraying the dashboards, the steerings, whatever we come in physical contact. What we did was initially we got our car serviced by coordinating the same because it had been out for almost a year without any service, just to ensure that no untoward incident happens. So friends, as you can see, we have left quite early in the morning where there are hardly any people, just to avoid the traffic as well as too much crowd, so that we don't come much in direct contact with people, trying to remain safe as much as possible since it's our first outing out after such a long period.
पुलिस परमिशन का कोई भी विवाह समारोह ना हो। कई बार देखा गया है कि विवाह समारोह में जब लोग देखते हैं कि कोई नहीं है तो वो लोग रूल्स को थोड़ा इजी समझते हैं। अगर बैंक्वेट हॉल में कोई बिना मास्क के पाया जाएगा तो हाल मालिक के खिलाफ कार्रवाई की जाएगी। जिन इलाकों में मरीजों की संख्या बढ़ रही है वहाँ कंटेनमेंट जोन बनाने की तैयारी भी की जाए। और एक इम्पॉर्टेंट बात जो बहुत कम लोग जानते हैं कि सादी वर्दी में भी भीड़ पर अब पुलिस नजर रखेगी, बिकॉज हम सभी चाहते हैं कि कोई सेकंड वेव ना आए जिससे लोगों को कोई भी तकलीफ ना हो। फिलहाल आशा जी और रफ़ी साहब का खूबसूरत सा अंदाज में
we are just approaching the beach. Kids are all set to get inside the water. It is really an awesome sight to see both Joanne and Bryden enjoying the beach after a very long gap of almost a year. We haven't got them dressed in the swimming gear, or else they would be prepared to go deep into the sea and ride the waves. As you all know, most of you know, like they enjoy the deep sea swimming, and as soon as they are in the gear, they are all ready and to get into the sea. So as you can see, the beach is quite empty. There are hardly any people around, so that also ensures the safety criteria that we have kept in mind all the time. In fact, as most of you will be aware that both Joanne and Bryden are deep sea swimmers, of late Joanne has been expressing her desire to go for swimming. So after a lot of thought and preparing the kids on the safety protocols, we got them ready. Since we had been indoors, so now it's time to leave the beach. Now back into the safe mode as you're wearing the mask. Kids had a good time enjoying the sea after quite a long time. So friends, thank you for watching another special episode of Autism and Beyond, a positive journey of JNB. We trust all of y'all enjoyed being with the Rodriguez family along with the freshness of the sea. Please continue to like, share and subscribe, thereby assisting us in the larger picture of creating awareness and acceptance for autism. Also, as we always say, we all need to have our safety protocols in place. So stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you.